so I'm actually going to a basketball game. I need to get coffee, and yeah, I'll see you soon. Alright, so I am actually right now in my first week of school, and my first week of school has been extremely busy, just with report cards, etc. But I'm loving my new routine. One thing I'm noticing, I'm just outside right now, is that the air quality, I think I already knew this, but the air quality here is not great. Actually, it's really it's quite awful. So I'm not enjoying the outside, which is unfortunate because I wouldn't consider myself an outdoors person, but I do like being outdoors for running or exercise, and I don't think I'm going to do that just based on the quality of the air. But overall, school has been going pretty good. I love seeing my kids. They are back on their routines, which is really great. And again, I'm enjoying my own routine also. We also have another week off in a week, and we will hopefully be going to Manila, which is super exciting. I think we're also going to go to another place I won't share right now, but I'll put some post or some video of it when we get there. I originally didn't want to go, to be honest, for a variety of reasons, but now I'm thinking about it, it will be very helpful for both my wife and I to get out of Vietnam, specifically Hanoi, as much as possible, just because the air quality is it's bad. It's really, really bad. But other than that, I've been good. I feel like I've been the best that I've ever been since I've been here. So yeah, I took a wrong turn. Yeah. I took a wrong turn. What else has been happening? I wrote a little bit this week. Still waiting on edits from my editor to work on the second book. So I've looked at it. I've done a few changes that I think would make this book push forward a little bit. But I'm mostly waiting for my editor, because what I don't want to happen is that I make edits, I send it, I don't get it back for a little while, and then I make changes before she's able to see it. So I just want to wait a little bit. And it's giving me some time to think about some other creative things and just, again, be present, which I think right now is the most important thing for me, at least. I'm super sweaty, so I need to go shower. But if you are out there, if you're watching, I appreciate you. Thank you. 36 weeks, people. 36 weeks. All right, later. Peace.